Hello guys, this is Sukada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 11th September 2022. Now before we discuss about the current affairs, please follow our Instagram holder Be EduCare Official. Let us start with the current affairs. The Union Housing and Urban Affairs Ministry will launch a 15-day campaign on September 17 to mark the completion of 8 years of the Swachh Bharat mission. The campaign, Swachh Amrit Mahotsav, will focus on mobilizing citizen action and the commitment towards the vision of building garbage-free cities. Its launch will coincide with the Narendra Modi's birthday. Gujarat CM Bhupendra Patel unveils the cinematic tourism policy. This was done in order to make Gujarat as a potential destination for the film documentary makers from the Bollywood, Hollywood, and regional industries. They launched this cinematic tourism policy 2022, which will last till 2027. Gujarat has for the first time declared cinematic tourism policy. This is to ensure that the filmmakers do not face any difficulties and also get the financial support. This policy was unveiled in the presence of the Bollywood actor Ajay Devgan. King Charles III proclaimed Britain's new monarch. When King Charles III immediately became the king upon the death of his mother, Queen Elizabeth II, who died on Thursday after a record of 70 years on the throne. It was Council's role to formally acknowledge the passing of one monarch and then to proclaim the new one on the behalf of the British government. According to Niti Aayog report, India's truck market is likely to grow over 4 times by the year 2050. Coming on to the daily current affair quiz. The first question for the day is, what is the rank of India in the UNDP's Human Development Index 2021? The next question for the day is, Akshay 2.0 portal, which was launched recently, is associated with which of the following diseases? The third question is, which state launched Padumai Pen scheme to provide monthly financial assistance for the female students to complete undergraduation programs? The next question is, the Indian government has prepared an action plan for the felicitation of the special rupee accounts for trade settlements with which institution? The last question for the day is, ISRO partnered with which country's space agency in the space technology during Bangalore Space Expo? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving the correct answers will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The questions asked in the previous video were as follows. Here are the answers to those questions. Queen Elizabeth II of England passed away on September 8, 2022. Her reign had lasted for 70 years and 7 months. Who has appointed as the next chief of the United Nations Human Rights? The correct answer is Volker Turk has been appointed as the next chief of the United Nations Human Rights. Maitri Super Thermal Power Project has been set up in which city of Bangladesh? The correct answer is Khulna. Which state has launched a multi-purpose online portal called the Residence Safety and Security Act? The correct answer is Meghalaya. As per the policy for the long-term leasing of the railway land for PM Gati Shakti, what is the tenure up to which the land lease is provided? The correct answer is 35 years. There is one big announcement, guys. Weekly current affair quiz contest is being held by the BEducate. One winner will get Amazon voucher worth rupees 100 every week. Each individual will be awarded only once. So don't miss out the chance. Write down the answers in the comment box below and get a chance to win an Amazon voucher worth rupees 100. Shout out to Rujusha and Neha Manoj for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it, guys. Stay connected to our channel for daily current affair videos. Don't forget to mention your answers in the comment box below to win a voucher worth rupees 100. For more information, you can contact on the number which you can see on your screens.